Hey YouTube, today we're doing my 2016 bike pack. Yes, I BMX. I'm learning, I'm not that good at it. This is my second BMX bike. My first one I still have, it was iffy. So let's start off on the top. I have Odyssey bar ends, Colt Vans grips, Chrome Redline Monster V2 in 9.2. I have a Kink Bold top load stem with a sealed integrated headset. It's a Kink. No, never mind. It's a Mission integrated headset with a carbon fiber spacer I got from a friend. Or no, never mind. I bought those myself. Brakes, I have an Odyssey Monolover. But you know, no one rides brakes anymore but me because I have to. I have a linear cable with crease brakes. I don't even know what that means. Cranks, I have Mission Triumph cranks. My pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCs. I have a Mission Cypher 25 tooth. I want a 28 guarded, but it popped in chrome to match my bars, but I haven't got that yet. So my chain is a Mission 410 chain. I have a Kink Goodman seat. Kink Goodman seat. I have a Mission Slim seat clamp. My front hub is a Mission Echo, unsealed with Mission X7 rims. Front and back Mission X7s with Kink spokes and Kink nipples. My bike is so dirty. The back is a Mission Fusion. What is it? Function with a 9-tooth driver. And the tires are the Innovas in 2.3 and Gumwall. Sorry, I'm looking over there. I'm waiting for my uncle to get back, and here he comes. So please don't forget to subscribe and like to the channel like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Sorry about the watermark. We'll fix soon. I can't until I get money. So thank you.